In this tutorial, I will guide you through a powerful trading strategy designed specifically for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This approach combines exponential moving averages, trading volume analysis, and Fibonacci retracement levels to provide a structured framework for identifying high-probability trade setups. Understanding and applying these tools can significantly enhance your decision-making process in the dynamic crypto markets. Our first step involves establishing the trend direction and identifying potential dynamic support or resistance zones. For this, we will use two key exponential moving averages. Open your preferred charting platform such as TradingView and add the 50-period exponential moving average and the 200-period exponential moving average to your chart. The 50 EMA represents the short to medium-term price momentum, while the 200 EMA signifies the long-term trend. These EMAs are crucial because they react more quickly to recent price changes compared to simple moving averages, making them ideal for capturing shifts in market sentiment. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, it forms what is commonly known as a golden cross, indicating a strong bullish signal and the potential start of an uptrend. Conversely, when the 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, it creates a death cross, signaling a bearish shift and the potential for a downtrend. These crosses provide a clear visual cue for the prevailing market direction. Beyond just crosses, these EMAs also act as dynamic support and resistance levels. In an uptrend, price often finds support at or near the 50 EMA or 200 EMA before continuing its upward movement. In a downtrend, these EMAs can act as resistance, pushing prices lower. Observing how price interacts with these lines offers valuable insights into market strength and potential turning points. While EMAs provide excellent trend direction, relying solely on them can lead to false signals. This is where trading volume becomes indispensable. Our second step is to confirm every EMA signal with a significant rise in trading volume. Volume is the lifeblood of the market, representing the total number of units traded during a specific period. It provides crucial insight into the conviction behind a price move. A valid breakout or breakdown, especially one indicated by an EMA cross, must be supported by higher than average volume. This means that when the 50 EMA crosses the 200 EMA, we want to see a noticeable increase in the volume bars accompanying that price action. High volume suggests strong institutional interest and broad market participation, lending credibility to the price movement. Conversely, if an EMA cross occurs on low or declining volume, it could indicate a lack of conviction from market participants, making the signal less reliable and potentially a false breakout or fake-out. Always compare current volume to the average volume over a recent period, perhaps the last 20 to 50 bars. A spike in volume significantly above this average provides the confirmation we seek. This volume filter helps to weed out weaker signals and focus on those with genuine market momentum, thereby improving the probability of successful trades. Once we have identified a clear trend using EMAs and confirmed its strength with volume, our third step is to use Fibonacci retracement levels to pinpoint ideal entry zones. Fibonacci retracement is a popular technical analysis tool derived from the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical series found throughout nature and often observed in financial markets. These levels help identify potential areas where price might retrace before continuing its original trend. To apply Fibonacci retracement, identify a significant swing low and a subsequent swing high in an uptrend. Draw the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high. For a downtrend, you would draw it from the swing high to the swing low. The most common and significant retracement levels are 0.282, 0.5, and 0.1618. These levels often act as strong support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. We look for price reactions around these specific Fibonacci levels to plan our entries. For instance, in an uptrend, after a strong move up, price often pulls back to one of these levels before resuming its ascent. A bounce off the 0.382, 0.5, or 0.618 level, especially when it aligns with an EMA or previous support, provides a high probability entry point. The 0.5 level represents a 50% retracement of the prior move, often acting as a psychological midpoint for price corrections. The 0.618 level is particularly significant, as it represents the golden ratio and is frequently a strong reversal point. With our trend established, volume confirmed, and potential entry zones identified, it's time to discuss trade execution. Enter your trade after observing clear confirmation at a key Fibonacci level, ideally supported by volume. This confirmation could be a bullish candlestick pattern, such as a hammer or an engulfing pattern, forming right at the Fibonacci level and bouncing off it. Waiting for this confirmation helps to avoid catching a falling knife and ensures that the level is indeed holding as support. For risk management, place your stop loss strategically. In an uptrend, a logical stop loss placement would be just below the recent swing low that preceded the Fibonacci retracement, or slightly below the Fibonacci level itself if it aligns with a strong support zone. This ensures that if the market reverses against your position, your losses are limited. A common practice is to place it a small percentage below the 0.618 Fibonacci level if that is your entry point, or below the previous swing low. For take-profit targets, consider two main approaches. The first is to target the previous swing high, assuming the trend will continue. The second, and often more robust approach, is to use a risk-reward ratio. Aim for a minimum of a 1.5x or 2x risk-reward target. For example, if your stop loss is 100 points away from your entry, aim for a take profit of at least 150 to 200 points. This ensures that your winning trades are significantly larger than your losing trades, contributing to overall profitability. You can also use Fibonacci extension levels to project potential profit targets beyond the previous high. The beauty of this strategy lies in its versatility and applicability across highly liquid assets. You can apply this exact same setup on Ethereum charts with equal effectiveness. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, exhibits strong technical behavior and respects these fundamental indicators. Start by adding the 50 and 200 EMAs to your ETHUSD chart to identify the prevailing trend and dynamic support or resistance. Next, confirm any EMA crosses or bounces with a significant spike in trading volume, ensuring that market conviction supports the price action. Finally, use Fibonacci retracements from swing lows to swing highs to pinpoint precise entry zones around the 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618 levels. The principles remain identical, allowing you to leverage this robust framework for both major cryptocurrencies. Before you consider trading this strategy with live capital, it is absolutely crucial to backtest it thoroughly. Use historical data on both Bitcoin and Ethereum charts across various timeframes to see how the strategy would have performed. This process will help you understand its strengths and weaknesses and build confidence in its effectiveness. Combine the power of exponential moving averages for trend identification, trading volume for signal confirmation, and Fibonacci levels for precise entry and exit points. This integrated approach provides a comprehensive framework for navigating the crypto markets. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to long-term success in trading. Continuously refine your understanding and adapt to market conditions.